Your credit score, it's a 3-digit number that controls everything. Your mortgage, your car loan, your credit cards, your job applications, everything. And right now, 2.6 million people just watched theirs collapse. Here's what happens. Let me break this down. When you default on student loans, your credit score doesn't just drop, it falls fast. The average, a 91 point hit. Think about that. If you had a 700 credit score, you're now at 609. That's not a dip, that's a cliff. And here's the terrifying part. That damage, it lasts for 7 years. 7 years of financial limitations. So, what does 6-9 actually mean? Mortgages? Basically impossible. You'll be denied or pay 2 to 3% more interest. That's an extra $60,000 to $100,000 over a 30-year loan. Car loans? Rejected or approved at predatory rates, 18%, 20%, sometimes higher. Credit cards? Denied. And if you somehow get approved, the interest rates are brutal. 29%, 30%. I've seen worse. But here's the thing that really matters. Future employers check credit scores too. Some jobs, financial positions, government roles, management, they'll deny you based on this number alone. So how does this happen? It's automatic. The moment your loan hits default, the credit bureaus are notified. Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, they update your score immediately, and they don't care about your situation. They don't care that you lost your job, that you got sick, that the pandemic happened. They just see default. Result, destroyed credit. Recovery is possible, but it's slow. Paying off the default, your score still stays damaged for years. You have to rebuild from 609 back to 700. That's typically 2 to 3 years of perfect payment history. And that assumes no other financial mistakes. One missed payment, you restart the clock. So what can you do if you're facing default? Contact your loan servicer before it happens. Income-driven repayment. Your payment drops to 0 if you have no income. Deferment. Pause payments for up to 3 years. Forbearance. Temporary relief during hardship. Rehabilitation programs. Some servicers offer this. Make 9 consecutive payments and the default comes off your record. The key word, before default. Once you're in default, options shrink. The 2.6 million people who just got that default notice, they're now facing 7 years of financial consequences. Not just emotional stress, real, documented, measurable consequences. Higher interest rates, denied loans, job rejections, housing instability, all because of one number. If this helped, subscribe for more breakdowns on what happens after financial crisis. Drop a comment. How has your credit score affected your life? I read everyone. See you next week.